This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the medkit. Now act. Equip it to a quick slot and approach the downed or injured player within 2-3 meters. Once close, hold the heal key, hold H, to open the medkit menu, then press Use or tap the slot to begin. You do this because proximity and the menu confirm a valid target and prevent wasted charges. If you need to heal yourself, aim at your feet and use the same sequence to start self-apply quickly. Once the apply starts, watch the progress bar and audio cue. Medkits typically take about 3 to 5 seconds, affected by perks or debuffs. Make sure to stay in cover or suppress nearby enemies because you're vulnerable during the animation. If interrupted, you'll get a partial refund but reduced effect, so avoid canceling unless necessary. Also, stacking heals often doesn't stack linearly, so wait for the application. After the animation ends, check the health and bleed icons to confirm the medkit completed its effect. Some status conditions require a different consumable. If the apply fails, immediately reposition behind cover and reattempt. Sometimes latency or debuff icons block use, so watch the HUD. Finally, conserve charges for engagements. Use one in emergencies and avoid wasting full kits on minor scraps. If things still go wrong, drop to crouch and reapply to reduce interruption chance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.